Hi guys, today's Leetcode daily is count the number of fair pairs. So we are given a zero index integer array nums whose size is n and two integers lower and upper. Now a pair I comma j is fair pair if 0 is less than equal to I less than j less than n and sum of nums of I and nums of j is greater than equal to lower but less than equal to upper. So now there are many fair pairs possible. So we have to return the count of all the possible fair pairs. Now we'll see example for better understanding of this question. So this is nums array. Lower is 3 and upper is 6. Now there are total 6 pairs possible whose sum lies in the range 3 and 6. So we'll return 6 as our answer. Now we'll see approach. Since we want to find all possible pairs whose sum lies in the range lower and upper, so what we'll do first we'll find all possible pairs whose sum is less than upper plus 1. Let's say it is x. Then we'll find all possible pairs whose sum is less than lower. Let's say it is y. Then our answer will be simply x minus y. Also, since we have to just find count, so sorting will not impact our answer. So we'll sort and apply two pointer approach to find count of all pairs less than well. Now we'll see code for better understanding of our approach. So we have written a function that will give count of all pairs which are less than well. So initially we have taken low equal to 0, high equal to n minus 1 and count of valid pair equal to 0. Now we are going into a while loop until low is less than high. Now if sum of nums of low and nums of high is less than well, it means it is a valid pair. Also, all the pairs for value of high from low plus 1 to high will be valid pair because their sum will be less than well. Since the array we are taking it is sorted, so we'll increment our count by high minus low. We are not considering values less than low because they are already explored, so they are redundant here. Then we'll do low plus plus. If this sum is greater than well, so this is invalid pair, so we'll just do high minus minus. After this loop is over, our count variable will contain the count of all pairs which are less than well. So we'll simply return count. Now we'll see implementation of count fair pairs function. So first we are initializing n with nums dot size. Then we are sorting nums vector because sorting will not impact our answer. And we can apply two pointer approach afterwards. Now we are calculating total pairs. That means pairs whose sum is less than or equal to upper. Then we are calculating invalid pair, pairs whose sum is less than lower. Then we are calculating our answer by total pairs minus invalid pairs. And after that we are returning our answer. If we talk about time complexity, then in this function, in worst case, low can go from 0 to n minus 1 as well as high can go from n minus 1 to 0. So it takes we go of n time complexity, and we are using sort function which takes time complexity of n log n. So overall time complexity is we go of n log n. If we talk about space complexity, then we are using this sort function in C++. It takes time complexity of space complexity of log n. So overall space complexity is of we go of log n. If you have understood this question, then please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.